Alright, so I just want to give you guys an update on my shrimp tank. I did go a little shop crazy, rookie mistake. We all know it, sometimes we all do it. But I bought some cardinals and I did introduce some ick into my aquarium. I had to crank the temperature up. I think I saw one shrimp survive, but I don't see him either right now. So we're doing a little bit of an overhaul of this tank. And today I do have some Supernaturals premium aquarium substrate. That's pretty good quality sand. And also we're gonna move some of these plants around and just freshen things up a little bit. First things first, we're gonna rinse some of the sand with just a little bit of distilled water. We only need about half an inch or so just to cover our bottom layer of substrate. So I'm gonna go with plan A, which is to basically just make a mess in here. Things are gonna get a little bit messy, and then I'm gonna do a nice water change, clean things up. Everything should straighten out nicely. So let's take a closer look and then give it about an hour or two to clear up.